In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark as favorite a project in Hubstaff. If you want faster access to a project you use often, marking it as a favorite is a simple way to keep it easier to find. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact path to get there inside Hubstaff, and I'll keep everything clear and straightforward so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're already logged into Hubstaff and looking at the project management area. The first thing you'll do is click the left arrow icon in the project management section. This usually helps you move back or open the navigation you need to reach another area of the platform. If your screen looks slightly different, just focus on finding that back arrow in the same general section. After that, click on To-Dos. This takes you into the task-related area, which is the route used here to get to the project list where favorites can be managed. It may seem like a small detour, but this is the path shown in the platform for reaching the correct project view. Once you're in the To-Do section, click on Add a Task. Even though you're not necessarily creating a full task for this tutorial, selecting this option opens the task workspace and gives you access to the related project tools. If a panel or a new page opens, that's expected, so just continue with the next step. From there, click on Projects. This will bring up the project list connected to the task area. At this point, you should be able to see the available projects and interact with them directly. Take a moment here to make sure you're looking at the correct project before continuing, especially if your workspace contains many similar project names. Finally, click the star next to the project you want to save as a favorite. Once selected, the star should indicate that the project has been marked, making it easier to locate later. In many interfaces, a filled or highlighted star means the favorite setting has been applied successfully. And that's it. By following this path through Hubstaff, you can quickly favorite a project for easier access in the future. If you use certain projects regularly, this can save time and make your workflow more organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.